Alright, it is approximately 1 p.m. I am gonna try to survey the damage. Whoa, look at that wind, it's nasty! Buddy's car is ripping apart. You got trees knocked over everywhere. I don't really want to stand out here because I don't know what's going to come at me. Test it. Got the ducks are alive. Your puppy there, he's lost. Come on. We're trying to get him to come in the house, but he doesn't want to. Very, very windy. Roofs are falling. Trees down everywhere. That bamboo forest is gone. Nothing left. Woo! Yeah! Mother Nature, bring it along! My phone's gonna take a lot of water damage! Peanuts! You can do worse. Hey, puppy, they can do worse, eh? The dog's outside this whole time, he doesn't care. I'm going back in. That's, not sure if you can see that. Hang on. The power lines are down. They're all on the ground. Trees are down. That's our well over there, or used to be the well. That was just debris, and that roof is coming off. The trees are gone. My phone's gonna die, so I'm just getting as much as I can. Come on, Pooch. Come on. Come on inside when it's dry. Come on. This is crazy. All right, let's go hide.